Hello friends, this is Zach's pronunciation. The word in this video is benevolent. Benevolent. Benevolent means kind, well-meaning and charitable. The benevolent businessman donated millions of dollars to the local orphanage. Benevolent. The antonyms or the opposites of benevolent are malevolent, cruel, malicious, malevolent, cruel, malicious. The villain in the story had a malevolent plan to take over the city. It is cruel to leave a pet locked outside in the freezing cold. He caught a virus on his computer after clicking a malicious link. Benevolent. It means kind, well-meaning and charitable. The antonyms or the opposites of benevolent are malevolent, cruel, malicious. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe Zach's pronunciation. See you in the next video.